Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Easter's coming up soon and today I'm going to be showing you a recipe which I've made last many years. I make it always for Easter. It's the simnel cake. It's super yummy, it's amazing, and whenever we make it, I devour it till the last crumb. It's so scrumptious. So I'm sure you will not be disappointed if you try this recipe. Do try it and let's start making it because it's super yummy. For the simnel cake, we'll be using butter, brown sugar, eggs, lemon rind, flour, almond meal, baking powder, milk. I have these fruits which I have soaked, basically tutti frutti, currants, black raisins and citrus peel, which I have soaked and kept. This is what we use for the plum cakes. And I also have some marzipan. Now the marzipan recipe is already on my channel, and if you want you can have a look at the video, or if you're using a ready marzipan you can use a ready marzipan too. In a bowl I have taken the butter and the brown sugar, and using the electric whisk we will start creaming it till it is light and fluffy. Once the butter and the sugar has creamed, I will take the eggs, put them in at one time, and then continue beating it till it is mixed well. Once this is being beaten, I will put in the lemon rind. Once this has creamed well, next we will take in the flour, the almond meal or the almond powder that we have, and the baking powder, and we will mix this in the batter till it is mixed well and it is smooth. The flour and the almond meal have been mixed in. Next, I will take in the dried soaked fruits that we have, and I will take in the milk that we have, put all of it inside and mix this. The batter is mixed well. I will take a 6-inch cake tin which I have lined with the butter paper and I have greased it. I will take half of the batter and put it into the tin and just spread it. Next we are taking the marzipan which I had. I will take the half quantity of the marzipan, roll it into a ball and just press it slightly till it is as you can see I have it nice and round. This I will put it in the middle of the tin, and I will cover this with the balanced batter. I will cover the marzipan fully with the batter, and this now goes into the oven at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes till it is baked and it is done. Our simnel cake is baked and ready. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to make the frosting to drizzle on top, which is a lemon icing, for which I have taken a cup of icing sugar. We will take a little lemon juice, just very little, and mix it around. We will use a little more. Do not put a lot of it first, otherwise it will get too thin, the icing. When we are putting it slowly, we can regulate the consistency of the icing. As you can see, this icing is nice and smooth. I will take this, put all of it on the cake, and using the spatula itself just spread it on the top. Once this is done, with the leftover marzipan, I have made 11 balls of the marzipan. These 11 balls signify the 11 apostles, and we put them on top. If you want, you can serve it the way it is, or if you want to add a little color, you can take a little mint leaves.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।